Today I'm going to show you how to create the cinematic title effect in Canva. Okay, so for that just go to the canva.com and click on this videos part. Okay, then click on video, then go to the upload section and just drag your video and drop it over here. So I have already uploaded my video here, you can see, right? So just drag it and drop it over here. All right, then right click on it, then click on set video as the background. Got it? Then go to the title, then click on the text, and here you have to write the text that you want to put on top of this particular video. Okay, all right, then press Ctrl A and select the enter text, then click here, then change the color to white color. Got it? Then click here and expand this letter space. Then click on this drop down and select any text type that you want to put it into this particular text. All right, then adjust the text, then again click on this particular text, then click on this animate option, then scroll down and in the below part you can see one option called as the clarify. Okay, this is one text effect that has been added in Canva recently. So just click here, then select the both option and you can adjust the speed and the movement from these two things. Got it? Then click on this play button and here you can see the text effect is looking like a cinematic, right? Then if you want to add any music, then scroll down and click on this audio tab, and here you can drag any music from this particular gallery and you can drop it over here. Got it? Then you can adjust it and here it is. And also if you want to put the black effect on the top and the button part, then go to the element section, then click on this, and here you can see we have successfully added this box into it. Then put it in the proper place and adjust the size. Then change the color to black. Alright, then again click here, then Ctrl C, then press Ctrl plus V. Okay, and do the copy paste and put it in the below part. And here you can see this is the final result.